Court heard Friday about the lengths police undertook to try to get the remains of the victims of accused serial killer Jeremy Skibicki. The Crown first bringing in Winnipeg Police Constable Brian Newman, who was the identification unit supervisor in the case where Mercedes Myron, Morgan Harris, Rebecca Contois, and Buffalo woman were murdered by Skibicki. He testified police were able to get the remains of Contois at city-owned Brady Road landfill because the garbage trucks to the site were equipped with GPS and surveillance. The shorter timeline also helping police, with them being notified about Contois' remains on May 16th, cordoning off the area based off GPS and surveillance technology. Contois' remains were found at the landfill on June 14th. The same could not have been said for Myron and Harris. It's believed based on surveillance footage of a man frequenting dumpsters near Henderson Highway that the remains of Harris were dumped in a garbage bin in the area on May 3rd, while the remains of Myron were dumped in a garbage bin on May 6th. It's believed the remains of Myron and Harris were taken by GFL to privately owned Prairie Green landfill just north of Winnipeg on May 16, 2022. Police only found out about this on June 20th, 2022. Newman testifying that since it's believed both remains were sitting in a garbage bin during the heat with insects, it may have led to the decay of them before they were even taken to the landfill. Complicating the search even more, unlike Contois, the truck believed to be carrying the remains of Myron and Harris was not equipped with GPS or surveillance technology. Newman testified that police took drone shots of Prairie Green on June 22nd, suspending activity in the area they were examining. The Crown also bringing in pathologist Dr. Raymond Riviera to testify about how Contois died. Dr. Riviera saying that since she was dismembered, he was unable to provide a formal opinion, but testified she experienced throughout her body bruising and hemorrhaging, including on her face, neck, and wrists. Crown attorney Renee Lagemodier asking, based on your examination, the injuries on Ms. Contois are consistent with being strangled? Dr. Riviera answering, correct. The trial resumes Monday. In Winnipeg, Edward Djan, City News.